Hi friends, it's Yana here today, and today we're talking about scrap busting projects. Today I'm going to tell you about 5 different tops that I love from Ellie and Mac that are great for using your scraps. This first one is the Spice top. I love that it's got this 3 color blocks sections. It does the same in the back. And it has this curved hem here, which is really nice. That it goes lower in the back and the front, and then it goes up on the sides. I love that. For this one, you could literally use 3 different fabrics in the front, and then 3 different fabrics in the back, and then 3 different fabrics for the sleeve, and just create like a really fun look. I just like the fact that you could do the short sleeve or the longer sleeve, and it is really cute, and the fit's really nice. It's just like a really comfortable fit for everyday wear. Next, we've got the Lindsay hoodie and top. This one is really cute as well. It is a top slash hoodie option, so you can make it as a top, you can make it as a hoodie. It's also got 3 different color block sections, but they go at a different angle. And I love that it's got the long sleeve with the cuff. You can have a band at the bottom. It is so adorable. I love it. Also because, again, you can color block. This is a little bit of a looser fit because it's more of a hoodie fit, but you can also make it as a top, which is what I'm doing right now. And it's nice because you could have the smaller pieces of fabric. You don't need a huge piece of fabric to create this look right here. All right, next up, I've got the Bridget dolman. So this is the Bridget dolman. Is a dolman style top. With the dolman is the one that has kind of like that drop sleeve, and there's so many different options that you can do with this one, and I love how you can fully color block it by going down the middle and having different colors on each side. So you could really have this side be one color, the back be a different color, this one be a different color. They could all be different colors, and you can also color block the sleeve, which is really nice too. I love that you can have this pattern. It doesn't have to be this color blocked. You can have a solid bodice, but since we're talking about scrap busting, this is great because you can use the little pieces of fabric for the different sides. So this one's another one of my favorites. Next, we have the book club top. This is the book club top. I really love the look of this one because of the way that the color block is done. It's a V here, and then it goes to the side for the sleeve. So it goes up and over on the sleeve. It does the same on the back, but you could choose to omit the second one, so you would have 2, the third one, so you would have 2, which is what I did on this one. But and the reason I did that was because I was scrap busting and I only had enough of this beautiful fabric here to do this the front and the sleeves. I did not have enough for the back, so I was able to use the other fabrics to finish up the back, even though it's supposed to be 3, but I was able to overlap that. So it's really cute. Like I said, if you have a fabric that you're like if you have a fabric that you really love and you really only have a little bit of it, these projects are perfect because you can use them for color blocking, and then you can use the other fabrics to finish up your project. Next is probably my favorite. I've made it so many different ways, so many different times with so many different fabrics. Is the Discover Tee. This is the Discover Tee. And you've probably seen me wear this top more than once because I have so many different versions of this one. It is a color block here at the top. There's an option for a longer sleeve. I've also made this one with lace, where I've done lace at the top and then a solid at the bottom, which is great. And I love this. Was another one of those situations where I had this beautiful fabric, but I only had a little bit of it. So I was like, what do I make with it? And I was able to make this top, and then adding just the solid at the bottom. And it helped me to use up the little bit I had left of that favorite fabric, and still look really cute, and I wear it all the time. So this is another one of my favorites. Now that concludes my 5 favorite tops to scrapbook. Now that concludes my 5 favorite tops to scrap bust with. Let me know which one's your favorite. Now I'm gonna add another one that I did not add to this list, and I don't know why I didn't add it. I didn't think about it until last minute, but the So Scrappy hoodie is one of those. It's a top slash hoodie that's really great for scrapbooking. scrap busting because it's got so many different little pieces that you put together like a puzzle to create an overall look. I think the reason why I have a harder time with that one is because there are so many different pieces. So sometimes I get a little bit like nervous on how to color block it. So I'm like, I kind of stay away from it because of that. But I was thinking these quilted, you know, like kind of quilted blankets and jackets and stuff like that are so in trend right now that I may look back at that pattern again and try to do it more thinking in the lines of like a quilt. Like if you were gonna quilt something and create that more of a quilted look. And I'm gonna add a little picture here of someone that did something a little bit like that using some quilted fabrics. And I think it turned out so super cute. So I think I'm gonna have to go back and sew that one up again because it is very, very cute. What do you think? Now comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, or did I not mention your favorite scrap busting pattern from Ellie and Mac. And also I wanted to mention that a lot of these patterns that are mentioned today also have the kids version. So that's even better because it's smaller pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.